Hi everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about chapter number 10, that is mensuration, exercise 10.2. Coming to problem number 1, a toy is in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere. That is statement number 1. Toy is in the form of cone mounted on hemisphere. This is our hemisphere. This is the cone mounting on hemisphere. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively. What is the diameter of the base? Given diameter equal to 6 centimeter. If diameter equal to 6 centimeter, what about the radius? Radius will be half of the diameter. I mean d by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. So what is radius? Radius equal to 3 centimeter. So center to any point on a circle is called radius, and height of the cone are 4 centimeter. What is the height of the cone? Height of the cone is 4 centimeter. Now they are asking to find surface area of the toy. I mean surface area of toy is equal to CSK of, as the toy is the combination of two solids, one is cone and other one is hemisphere. I mean CSK of cone plus CSK of hemisphere. What is the CSK of cone? As CSK of cone is pi RL plus CSK of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Yes, as we know the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius of the cone is 3 centimeter into L. You know children, what do you mean by L? L is nothing but slant height, right? Also we know the relationship between radius, height and slant height. We have the relation that is L square equal to R square plus L square. So L square equal to R equal to 3 and H is equal to 4. I mean 3 square plus 4 square. So 3 square is nothing but 9, 4 square is nothing but 16. So L square equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to 25. So L equal to root over 25. So what is the root 25 value? Which is equal to 5 centimeter, right? So L value 5 plus 2 into value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 3 centimeter, I mean 3 square. We know that what is the value of 3 square? 3 square is nothing but 3 3s are 9. Now 22 into 3, 66, 66 into 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30 plus 3, 33. I mean 330 divided by 7 plus 2 22s are 44 into 9, 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36 plus 3, 39. I mean 396 divided by 7, right? As the denominators are same, so LCM is 7 only. Directly we need to add numerators 330 plus 396. 330 plus 396, that is equal to 726. So 726 divided by 7. So 7 1 just 7. I mean 7 into 100, 700. 0.0, 7 4 is 28, 7 3 is 21. Point is there 0, 7 7 is 49. So 100 point somewhat 3 7 square centimeters. Okay children. So when we are doing calculation, we should be careful. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Simply here the question is Determine the surface area of the toy. So as the toy is a combination of two solids, cone and hemisphere, that is the reason surface area of, curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Cone is pi RL and hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And as we know the dimensions, so simply we need to substitute, then you will get the answer. Okay, this is our first question, children. Now coming to second question, a solid is in the form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other end. So solid is in the form of right circular cylinder hemisphere at one end and cone at the other end. This is the solid, right? Now coming to second point, the dimensions are, the radius of the common base is 8 cm. Radius is 8 cm. And the height of the cylindrical and canonical portions are 10 cm and 6 cm. Height of the cylinder is 10 cm and height of the cone is 6 centimeters. Now they are asking to find surface area of the toy. So surface area of toy equal to, as the solid is the combination of CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone, which is a combination of, first one is cone, second one is cylinder, third one is hemisphere. Third one is hemisphere, right? Cone plus cylinder plus hemisphere. What is the CSA of cone? As we know that CSA of cone is pi RL, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay. Now as we don't know what is L, slant height. So if you observe this, base is 8 cm and height of the cone is 6 cm. Now we have to find out slant height L. We have a relationship between L and R and H. L square equal to R square plus H square. So L square equal to R equal to 8, H is equal to 6. 8 square plus 6 square. So 64, 8 8 ja, 6 6 ja, 36. 64 plus 36, which is equal to 100. Square you transpose, it will become root 100. Root 100 is nothing but 10 centimeters. So what is the slant height? We got slant height 10 centimeter. So pi value 22 by 7, radius is 8, slant height is 10 plus 2 into pi value 22 by 7, radius is 8, height is 10 plus 2 into pi value 22 by 7, as radius is 8, 8 square. 8 square is nothing but 64. Okay. So 22 into 8 into 10. 8 to the 16. 1760 divided by 7. Children, did you understand? 22 into 8, 176. 176 into 10, 1760. Again, 22, 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 8. 44 into 8, 8 4 is 32, 8 4 is 32 plus 3, 35. 352. 352 into 10, 3520 divided by 7. Again, 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 64. 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 6 4 is 24. 6 4 is 24 plus 2, 26. 6, 11, 8. 2, 8, 1, 6 divided by 7. As the denominators are same, directly we need to add numerators. 2, 8, 1, 6 plus 3, 5, 2, 0 plus 1, 7, 6, 0. 6, 8 plus 1, 9. 13 plus 7, 20. 5, 6, 8. 8096 divided by 7. So 7 table, 7 1 is 7, 10, 7 1 is 7, 39, 7 5 is 35, 4 6, 7 6 is 42, 40, 7 5 is 35, 50, 7 7 is 49. So answer is what? 1156.56 square centimeter. Children, did you understand? What is the answer? 1156.57 square centimeter. Okay, this is our second problem. Now coming to third question, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends, and the length of the capsule is 14 mm and the thickness is 5 mm. Find its surface area. So this is an important question. Mentioned capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. This is one hemisphere and this is one hemisphere. So this is our first statement, and the length of the capsule is, total length of the capsule is 14 mm, 14 millimeter, and its thickness is 5 millimeter. So find its surface area. As the solid is a combination of three solids, so surface area equal to CSA of cylinder plus, as we have two hemispheres, so 2 into CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. Now coming to dimensions, the first point is its thickness is 5 mm. I mean nothing but this is our thickness, diameter. Diameter is equal to 5 millimeter. So what about the radius? Radius will be half of the diameter, I mean 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5 millimeter. So what is the radius? Center to any point on a circle is called radius. So this spot is, this is our radius, which is 2.5, as well as this is our radius, which is also 2.5. Right? So this is the height of the hemisphere. This is the height of the hemisphere. Height of the hemisphere will become radius of the hemisphere. Right? Now, could you guess what is the height of the cylinder? Actually, the total length of the medicine capsule is 14 mm. From 14 mm, we have to remove this 2.5, as this is the height of the hemisphere. This is the 2.5, which is the height of the hemisphere. We have to remove this 2.5 as well as this 2.5. So we know that 2.5 plus 2.5, which is equal to 5 millimeters. Right? Therefore, height of the cylinder is, from total length of the medicine capsule, we have to remove 5 mm. So 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9 mm. 9 mm is the height of the cylinder. Most of the students will confuse and they will write height of the cylinder as 14 mm. 14 mm is the total length of the medicine capsule. From that we have to remove 5 millimeters, which is the height of the two hemispheres. So 14 minus 5, 9 mm. So we got it there, all the dimensions. Now we can substitute here. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi RH plus 2 to the 4 pi r square. Now 2 into pi value 22 by 7 and the radius is 5 by 2. Let me substitute as 5 by 2 and height is 9 plus 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. So 22 into 5, 110. 110 into 9, 990 divided by 7 plus again 22 into 5, 110, 110 into 5, 550, 550 divided by 7. Again denominators are same, return its denominator as it is, 995 plus 990 plus 550, 0, 9 plus 5 14, 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15. 1540 divided by 7. 7 table, 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja 14, 1 4, 7 2 ja 14, 0. So which is equal to how much? 220 square centimeter. So what is the surface area? Surface area equal to 220 square centimeter. Okay children, this is our third problem. Now coming to fourth question. Two cubes, each of volume 64 square centimeter cube, are joined end to end together. Find surface area of resulting cuboid. Two cubes. See here. This is one cube. Another cube. They join two cubes, each of volume how much? Volume equal to 64 centimeter cube. We know what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is A cube equal to 64, I can write as 4 cube. Cube gets cancelled. A equal to how much? 4 centimeter. I mean side of the cube is 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. As well as this is 4 centimeter. When we join two cubes, you will get a cuboid. So what are the dimensions of cuboid? As the dimensions of cuboid are length, breadth and height. Right? They are the dimensions of cuboid. Can you guess what is the length? Length is, this is 4 units plus this is 4 units. So 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8 units, and breadth is same, which is equal to 4 units, and height also same, which is equal to 4 units. Right? So when we join two cubes, you will get a cuboid, and the length of the cuboid is 8 centimeters. Now they are asking to find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So surface area of resulting cuboid, we have the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So 2 into, as length is 8, breadth is 4 plus breadth 4, height 4 plus length 8, breadth height is 4. 2 into 8 4 ja 32, 4 4 ja 16, 8 4 ja 32. So 2 into 30, 40, 70, 72 plus 6, 78, 78 plus 8, 78 plus 2, 80. So 2 into 80, 280 is 160 square centimeter. Okay children, this is our fourth problem. I mean when we join two cubes, you will get a cuboid. That you have to remember. Now coming to fifth question. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. So this is the storage tank. Consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meters, diameter is 1.4 meters. So what about the radius? Half of the diameter, 1.4 by 2, 2 1 ja, to 0.7 ja. So radius equal to 0.7 meter. You know children, 0.7 we can write it as 7 by 10. As 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7 only. If at all it is in the form of decimals, it will be difficult for us to do multiplication, right? So better if we convert into fractions so that we can do cancellation easily. So that is the reason we converted 0.7 meters into 7 by 10 meters. And its length be 8 meters. Length is 8 meters. I mean height of the cylinder is 8 meter. Find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of rupees 20 per square meters. So first of all, we should know what is the surface area of the resulting storage tank. Okay. So surface area equal to, as the tank is a combination of cylinder plus two hemispheres. That is the reason we are writing 2 into CSA of hemisphere. As the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Right? So 2 into pi value 22 by 7 and the radius is 7 by 10 and the height is 8 plus 2 2s are 4 into pi value 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. So now 2 table 7 cancel, 2 table 2 1 2 5 again 7 cancel, 2 table 2 2 2 5 again 2 table 2 1 2 5 So 22 into 8, 8 2 16, I mean 176 divided by 5 plus 22 into 7 which is equal to 154 by 5 5 25. So the LCM of 5 and 25 is 25. 5 5 25 into 5 into 5. 25 1 25 into 1 into 1. 5 6 30. 5 7 35 plus 3 38. 5 1 5 plus 3 8. 8 80 plus 154. So that is 4. 8 plus 5 13. 1034 divided by 25. 25 table 25 4 100. 3 4. 25 1 25. So let me divide 1034 divided by 25. 25 4 100. 3 4. 25 1 25. 9.0. 25 3 75. 5 1. 25 6 So which is equal to 41.36 square meters, right? But actually they are asking to find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of rupees 20 per 1 square meter. Actually per 1 square meter they are charging rupees 20. Now the point is per 41.36 square meter what is the cost? So cost equal to 41.36 into 20. So what you do, this 0 you cancel, it will become 413.6 into 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. So what is the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter is rupees 827.2 rupees. Okay children. So this is our fifth problem. Now coming to sixth problem. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone have same radius and same height. We have three solids: sphere, cylinder and the cone. A sphere, a cylinder and a cone have same radius. Radius is same. Let it be R, R and R. And same height. Could you guess me what is the height of the sphere here? You know children, this is our height. Actually, height of the cylinder will become height of the sphere will become diameter of the sphere. We know that diameter is 2 times the radius. I mean 2 into r, which is equal to 2r. So height of the sphere is 2r. Because from center to any point in a circle is called radius. Again, from center to any point in a circle is called radius. I mean r plus r, which will become 2r, that will be the height of the sphere. Because they have same height, so height of the cylinder also 2r, height of the cone is also 2r. So that is the most important point. In general, students, they will not understand why the height of the sphere is 2r. As height of the sphere will become diameter of the sphere. Diameter is nothing but 2 times the radius. Okay. Now they are asking to find the ratio of their volumes. I mean ratio of sphere to ratio of cylinder to the ratio of cone. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is as it is 4 by 3 pi r cube is to pi r square. What is the height of the cylinder? That is 2r. 1 by 3 into pi into r square into height of the cylinder is 2r. Simply in place of h I substitute here 2r. In place of h I substitute 2r. Nothing else. Right? So 4 by 3 pi r cube as it is. Children, first let me write constant 2. Then pi r square into r cube. Again here 1 into 2, 2 divided by 3, then pi r square into r cube. So pi r cube, pi r cube, pi r cube gets cancelled. So 4 by 3 is to 2 is to 2 by 3. As here nothing means 1. So LCM is 3, 1, 3, LCM 3. So what you do? Let us multiply into 3, into 3, into 3. 3, 3 cancel, 3, 3 cancel. 4 is to 2 into 3, 6 is to 2 into 1, 2. In 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. So what is the ratio? 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay children? So this is our sixth question. Ratio of the volumes is 2 is to 3 is to 1. Now coming to seventh problem. A hemisphere is cut off from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of a cube. Okay, as we know that cube is made up of square. It has 6 faces. It has how many faces? Actually cube has 6 faces. Now a hemisphere is cut out from only one face of a cubical wooden block, right? So let me cut a hemisphere. This is our cube. A hemisphere is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. Let the side of the cube is A units, hence diameter of the cube is A units only, because diameter and side of the cube are same. So what about the radius? Radius will be half of the diameter, so A by 2 units. So you need to understand the point. Here we are cutting a hemisphere is from one face of cubical wooden block such that they said diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. Let the diameter is equal to, side of the cube is A units, then diameter of the hemisphere is A units only, then radius will be half of the diameter A by 2 units. Determine the total surface area of remaining solid. as surface area of remaining solid is equal to, as cube has 6 faces, among that only we are cutting from one face. So remaining faces we have 5 faces. Each face is made up of square and area of square is a square. So 5a square plus CSA of hemisphere. Children, did you understand why I wrote 5a square? Because as cube has 6 faces, we have remaining 5 faces. That is the reason 5a square plus CSA of hemisphere. So CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 5a square plus 2 into pi into radius is a by 2 units. I mean a by 2 whole square. So 5a square plus 2 into pi into r square belongs to numerator, a square by 2 square means 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 5a square plus pi a square by 2. Now I can take a square as common. If I take a square as common, 5 plus 5 by 2 square units. This is our surface area of the remaining solid. Okay children. The thing is, we have to know that, I mean surface area of hemisphere, I mean diameter of the hemisphere will become side of the cube. Now coming to 8th question, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of solid cylinder. If you observe the figure, this is one hemisphere and this is another hemisphere. They are scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm, as it is given, height is 10 cm and the radius of the base is 3.5 cm. Radius is 3.5 cm. Find the surface area of the solid. So surface area equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Why we are adding into 2? Because we have 2 hemispheres touched to each of its ends, right? Now CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and 2 into CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 into, as pi value 22 by 7, given radius is 3.5, I can write as 35 by 10, 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10. So radius how much? 7 by 2 and height is 10 plus 2 into 2 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 7 cancel, 2 2 cancel. 7 7 cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. 2 2 gets cancelled. 22 into 10, 220 plus 22 into 7, 154. So that is 4, 7, 3. So what is the surface area of the article? The surface area of the article is 374 square centimeter. So this exercise is a very important exercise children. After completion of this, after watching the video, you have to practice so that you can do it the sums easily. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it to your friends children. Thank you.